this is question number 4. Let's look at it together. This question is about the following numbers. We have 2/5, 0.31, 1/3, 3/8, and 0.42. Okay, so the two questions we're going to answer about this set of numbers. Okay, so let's look at the questions, then we know what to do. Which is the smallest number? Okay, we have to look at this and pick out the smallest one. And then also, we are asked which is the number closest in value to 0.35. So since we have decimal numbers in there, the best thing is for us to change the fractions to decimal fractions too. All right, so we start with the 2/5. So I'm just going to change this using a shortcut. So let's go. We know 5 in 2 is 0, right? You put your point, and then because of the point you've added, you add a 0 to your remainder. So 5 in 20 is 4. But because the other fractions are in 2 decimal places, I'm going to also make this one to be in 2 decimal places. So I'll just add an extra 0, a 0, right? So that'll be 0.40. Okay, so the next one is 1/3. I'll take that to decimal. So 3 in 1, I hope you're following my shortcut method. 3 in 1 is 0. You can't get n3 in 1. So we put a point, and because of this, we are licensed to add 0 to our remainder. So I'm going to add a 0 to 10, to 1, and then that's 10. So 3 in 10, that's 3, right? Because that's 3 times 3, 9. Okay, that's the closest multiple of 3 to 9, to 10. So 3 times 3 is 9. What will be the remainder? That'll be 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. And then, because we already have a point, we can keep adding a 0 or multiplying our remainder by 10. Okay, so 3 in 10 again, that'll be 3, and then it goes on forever. It's a recurring decimal. So 3.3333, that's how it's going to go. Okay, but because we're working in 2 decimal places, we'll leave it at that. So 0.33. One more. 3/8. All right. How many 8s are there in 3? 0. We put our points. We have the license to multiply our remainder by 10. So we add the 0. 8 in 30. That's 3, right? 24. Okay. So 8 times 3 is 24. So now our remainder, take that away from 30. That's 6. Okay. We still have a remainder and we can multiply by 10. We add a 0. So 8 in 60 is 7, right? 8 in 60 is 7. So I'm also going to stop here because I'm working in 2 decimal places. Okay, so I have 0.40, 0.33, and 0.37. So I could write that here, 0.40, okay, 0.33, okay, and this is 0.37. It's going to be 0.375, okay? So now, with these, we can easily compare and check which is the smallest number. So I have, since all of them are 0, 0, 0.0 points, I could just say this is 40, 31, 33, 37, 42. So which one is the smallest? 31, right? So 0.31 is the smallest of them all. That's the smallest. I believe you got the idea. All right. Next, we're asked which is the number closest in value to 0.35. Closest. 0.31, that's 4 less. 0.33, that is 2 closer. 0.37, okay, that's a little more closer because we didn't complete, less closer because we didn't complete this. If you had completed this, let's just do that because now we need it, right? So this is 756, remainder 4, we add a 0, and then 8 in 40 will be 5. So this is 2.5, more than this. So the two numbers we're looking at is 0.33. We have the main number we're considering, 0.35, and then this, 0.375. So if you look at it, the closest will be 0.333, right? That's the closest to 0.75. So this is our answer, the closest, and that is 1/3. All right, so the answer is what? 1/3. Okay, so I need you to please go back the video, and if you still have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Bye.